Okay, so this is the
CO2
property
gas.
of metal carbonate, that it is going to produce sodium fluoride like a salt in aqueous state, water in liquid state, and then we must have a gas that is going to be in gaseous state. Okay, it's a very common reaction, and a lot of acids do react with metal carbonates to form salt water and hydrogen, salt water and carbon dioxide gas is going to get released. So in this property, usually in CI exams, they ask you to write down the test for carbon dioxide. If carbon dioxide gas is getting liberated off, then how can you identify that the particular gas is carbon dioxide? Do you know the test for carbon dioxide?
Yes, miss. Uh, it reacts with a certain substance that turns into milky white. I can't
Exactly. Why
remember
don't
the
you
name.
remember that certain substance? That certain substance is lime water. Pass the gas through lime
Yes,
water,
lamp.
and lime water turns milky. So that is lime water. So you must remember that the test is pass the gas through lime water. And how do you pass it? You pass it by having another test tube, and in this test tube you must pour lime water that is basically colorless. Lime water that is basically a solution of dilute calcium hydroxide. This is lime water. And when calcium this is calcium hydroxide, that is lime water. And when you're going to pass this gas that is coming out using a delivery tube into lime water, then the gas will turn colorless. And this is the setting of the delivery tube should be like this. It must contain carbon dioxide gas that is coming out from the liquid solution that contains a metal carbonate and solution of acid. So you must collect the gas from over the water, and you must pass the gas into lime water, so that all of the gas must react with water to make it white. So after passing carbon dioxide gas, lime water turns milky. And one thing more you must know, that after once the lime water gets milky, if you continue to pass carbon dioxide gas into lime water, again the lime water is going to become transparent. So upon excess passing of